Alright then, hello guys. So we're gonna be doing another challenge, and this challenge is gonna be a Pwn challenge. So it's gonna be simple. So the Pwn challenge that we're gonna be doing today is gonna be called Reg, which it says right here, it's a basic buffer overflow exploit. Try to get the flag. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's get started. So this time we're giving I downloaded a file and I already put it on Ghidra, so let's just take a look at it for the most part. So if we check main, we check there's a function being called run. So if you click on run, we see all it's asking is for the user to enter its name, and it gets from local 38. And local 38 has a size of 48, but then it says registered. So if you guys didn't know, get is susceptible to a buffer overflow. And how do I know that? It's because I've done many challenges like this in the past. So if I type get buffer overflow, it's one of the first things I've done. I've explained it over, and it says right here, a simple buffer overflow can be used when the code that relies on external receives to read data. This system can now limit the data that is being read by the function. So with gets, or why is gets bag, overall it allows us to insert as much as we want without no limit. And at this point, yeah, it is, because it does not perform bounds to check the size of its input. So yeah, so with this, so how this is vulnerable with run is like if you click on run, we're able to enter more than we're allowed to put in, because local 38 is only supposed to hold 48 values. But with gets, we're allowed to put more than 48. There's no bounds checking to see how much we could input. So with this, we're able to go over the size of our local 38, and we're able to overwrite the value of return, and except of return exiting, what return will do, it'll go to our winner function, which holds our flag.txt. So simply how to solve this, we need to find a way how much we need to overflow. And for that, simply all you need to do is go to run, and then go to local 48 to see where it's being initialized. And usually ox38 will be the value, or like the value right like next to the stack will be the value that will cause it to overload. So if we go to ox38 to decimal, which I already did beforehand, it'll be 56. So all we need is just 56 random values, and then after that we just to call the win function, which is winner. And if we click on winner, what's the I think this might be the address of winner, but we'll about to see right now. So anyway, if we go right here and we can just make a script. Oh, let me turn on the instance so we can actually, so start instance. It's gonna take a while to load up. So anyway, well, this is we got our instance. So what we'll do is just see what it's asking. Oh, delete this. Enter your name. Yes. Okay, registered. So what we'll do is just do nano solve.py, and then we'll do from pwn import all, and then we'll just do p equals remotes, and then what we'll do is just enter that and just put this address right here, and then p dot receive line, we'll just do print. Let's do that. Python 3 solve.py. I think, oh, it's not even receive line. Yeah, cause yeah, it's not receiving a line. It's just receive. We'll just do receive. It's gonna print out whatever we receive. Enter your name. Okay, then that's all we need. And p dot send line, we're gonna send byte strings of a times the value of what we did of ox38, which is 56. And then all we need to do is just add pack 32, maybe, or p32. P32, and then the value of where winner stolen. In our case, it's gonna be right here. So I think it just be OX, copy OX, and then like that, and then print. I might have messed up, who knows, maybe I still have receive, and that should be it. So if we do python 3 solve.py, ooh, and that didn't work, congratulations. Plus let's do print just to be sure if that's doing what I think it's doing. That's doing that. How about 64 P. It might not even be this value, Loki. It might be the next value. So if we go back right here, let's do 7. That usually happens. Register, congratulations, huh? It's pretty weird. Should be winner. Yeah, because, oh wait, so I think we, yeah, register, congratulations. Yeah. Wait, I think we should need to do another line. Because they printed out congratulations and that's inside our thing. So if we just do this, and yeah, so I think we did have it at the first part. I just didn't notice the congratulations part, so it just printed it out on a new line. So if you just do this, change this to 6, and then do python 3, yeah, we got it. So see, look, you see how it says here congratulations? I just missed that part. I thought that was part of it, but if you check run, I'll just register it, but it won't print out nothing else. So what we did basically is just we overran this return with the win function, which is the winner. And after that, I printed out congratulations, then I printed out the flag. So if I just copy this flag value right here, hack the box, that probably didn't copy it all the way, and then submit flag, and just change this to hack the box. It should accept and we should get in. I'm trying to give this a 5. It should work, and yeah, it did. So yeah, basically for this challenge, I guess I gave you guys to understand the basics of how to find, like, usually when it comes to buffer overflows, the value, so we could I guess override it for the most part. So we could do a simple buffer overflow, which usually comes to just going to the value that it's getting from and then just looking how deep it is in the stack. And after that, at the end, all we did was just found the value of winner, or where the address is at winner, and added it at the end. So if you look back right here, if I just do simple, we could look at our payload. So if you guys still confused what our payload looks like, so I can do print our payload, and it looks like it. And then we just do this. We just copy this. We'll see what it printed out at the end. So this is our payload below. Our payload was all this A's, all these 56 values that filled up the buffer, and it made it all the way into return. And then after that, this is the address of the winner function. And then after that, I just called this winner function. And then after that, I opened up the flag, and we were able to print it out on our end. So yeah, that was about it for this challenge. This was like the easiest type of form of buffer overflow. Hopefully you guys learned something new today. Me, it wasn't that new. Simple buffer overflow, but hopefully you guys learned something new. Anyway, that was about it for this challenge, and peace.